Ano nga ba ang halaga ng pag-ibig? What is really the price of love? What is really the price of falling in love? Ano nga ba? Ano nga ba ang katumbas pag nagmamahal tayo ng totoo? When do we know that the value of how we love someone is more than all that we can sacrifice for that person? Aminin natin, may mga tao that they're willing to sacrifice everything they've worked hard for just to feel love. Just to fall in love. May mga taong who would forget what they have accomplished in life just to be loved in return. If you will be loved in return. Alam nyo, sa programa natin, I've said many times over, pag nagmahal ka, tsaka ka na mag-isip pag masakit na. Pagmahal ka lang muna. But it would really help to know if all the sacrifices you can ever make for someone is worth what you might actually lose.